In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the official Forsaken Discord server from the Roblox game. First, open your Discord app. Once it's open, click the plus button on the left side menu. Then click Join a Server. In the Invite Link field, type the following text exactly as I'm writing it here, Forsaken RBLX. Make sure to type it exactly the same way. If you type it differently, you may not be able to join the server, or you might end up joining an unofficial server. After confirming everything is correct, click Join Server and you will enter the Forsaken Discord server. You may be required to complete a verification process. In that case, you'll need to verify your Discord account using a phone number before you can send messages in the server. It's also important to read the server rules. To complete the verification, click Verify. You will also need to verify through Block's link, which connects your Roblox account to the Discord server. So there are two required verifications to chat in the Forsaken Discord server: phone verification for your Discord account, Block's link verification to link your Roblox account. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.